So here we are with the new Bosch washing machine. It's in black, silent plus. Open up. Yeah, looks great. Fantastic. Good. Yes, power. So here some montering. Finish. Always. And here it's this energy A plus. Silence is like 48 decibel. It's very good. The most expensive machine on market on this size. It looks great here for having salt. So it's even wet inside, so this is speed testing. And here is some manuals to look at. Yes, looks great. This like there, or like this. I don't know what this is meant for, but we will see. We will learn. There. Yeah. Okay. Of course, soap down this. Yeah, it looks good. Quality. Bosch is quality. So the new one. Good.